Eating animals is wrong, McDonald's. Hurting animals is wrong, McDonald's. Share this song and change your entire menu to be vegan from now on. It's the middle of the night. I couldn't sleep. So I went for a walk. I ended up here, outside of McDonald's. I couldn't sleep because I was thinking about my friend Regan Russell, who died. She was murdered, run over by a truck trying to save pigs from slaughter, trying to raise awareness here in Canada. "200 pigs are on a truck. Truck after truck after truck comes into a facility, puts these 6-month-old baby pigs into gas chambers or slits their throat. It's unimaginable fear, absolute terror. And the truck ran over her. She was just standing there with a sign, trying to give the pigs a little bit of water before their last moments alive. The first time those little pigs could see the light of day. They are not on happy farms like McDonald's will try to let you believe. It is not like that. There's a staircase here. Look. It's pretty creepy. It's like a door without a doorknob, no handle. What if I told you this is where all the dead bodies are stored? What if I told you a truck comes in the middle of the night and men come and pick up the dead bodies of the pigs, the chickens, and the cows, and they drag them down here. Blood strewn all over the place. What if I told you that? What if I told you that downstairs in the basement of McDonald's there are these hanging dead bodies, and people in the middle of the night come and cut them up? They cut off their arms and their legs. They cut their stomachs open and rip out the intestines, throw them all over the floor. Cut everything up into neat little packages for you. So when you order it, it looks nothing like an animal. To you, it's food. To them, it's their life. You can change. You don't have to be part of this violence. You know how your normal reaction every time you see the McDonald's sign, the golden arches as they call them, usually when you see them you probably salivate. You think, oh, I want to go there, I want to get whatever it is that you're used to getting over the years. I want to try to change that. I want to sensitize you to the horror that goes on here and in all of these kinds of places. I don't want you to see the pretty flowers, the decorations, and hear the nice music. I want you to see these arches And I want you to give them the middle finger. Every time you drive by, put your middle finger up in the air. Every time you walk by, say, fuck you. Say, fuck you to murder. Say, fuck you to the torture that goes on. Say, fuck you to the narcissists who create places like this without a single care for the animals and the victims. If your dead body was in here, I'd be here for you too. I think I'm gonna walk home now, see if I can get some sleep. Try to avoid the urge to put all of your meat emojis underneath this post and tell me how much you absolutely love this place. Try to hold back. See if you can do it. Try to say, you know what, Miss KADIE? You're right. I want to be a better person. I want to do good in this world. I want to try to leave the world a little bit better than when I came. When your friends want to go here, say, hey, let's look up on the app Happy Cow and see if there's a vegan option nearby. Or let's just buy our own Beyond Burgers or Impossible Burgers and make them ourselves. You know, a restaurant should be a place that you go to rarely, like a treat. When you think about it, you're paying somebody to do the shopping for you, the chopping for you, the cooking for you, to make the dishes for you, to throw out the dishes. It's just amazing. It is a cycle of violence and a cycle of plastic pollution, and it's just nothing good that happens in places like this. Thanks for listening. Let me know in the comments below if you're vegan. And if you're suffering from dystopia, which is the anguish of being vegan in a non-vegan world, you're not alone. It's hard to live among people who are like walking zombies, isn't it? People who don't see what you see. I get it. But you know what's good? Is that there are people here on this planet who are trying. Are good people. I don't know if there's many. There are some good people who really try hard to raise awareness. So, to sum up, don't go here. If you do go, if you have to go, if you feel compelled, ask for the vegan option. Mention the word vegan. Say that vegan teacher sent you. If you can avoid it, avoid it. But when you're driving by, always, coming or going, no matter what, give it the middle finger. Not hard. You can do it. Something interesting going on here. There's a car parked here with a guy in it. And over here you have a truck. They're picking up money from the bank. It's a bit scary because they've got guns, and I'm up here in Canada and I'm not used to seeing that. So maybe I'll walk away in case they think that I'm up to something. I am up to something. It has nothing to do with them. Good night, everyone. See y'all in the next video. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.